Hello there wonderful people, this is DJ and today we'll be discussing a solution to an important problem. Editing PDFs can be a daunting task for many people as it often requires specialized software and a certain level of technical expertise. Most of the time, people face the problem of not being able to save the changes they made to the PDF. This can be very frustrating as it would mean that all the work done would be wasted. Not anymore, as today we test out UPDF, a professional PDF editor that is not just user-friendly but also makes PDF editing a breeze. UPDF is your new best friend when it comes to editing PDFs. It offers a wide range of features such as from adding bookmarks to converting PDFs to other formats, from OCRs to annotations, and much more. It's also packed with intuitive navigation tool and extensive annotation tool that makes it a breeze to add highlights, text boxes, shapes, and other elements to PDFs directly. So without any further ado, let's quickly check out its features. The first one being the convenience and delightful experience of reading and navigating through PDFs. If you're looking for a more flexible way to read your PDFs, this might be a perfect solution for you. This software allows you to view your documents in different layouts such as single page or two-page scrolling. This way, you can choose the one that best suits your reading style and preference, making it easier for you to go through your PDF files. It also comes with the ability to switch to dark mode, which makes it easy on the eyes even when reading for long hours. You can also personalize the setting for your liking, such as changing the background of PDF documents. With the ability to add bookmarks, you can quickly and easily access the information you need. Plus, you can search for specific text across your bookmark pages, making it even easier to find what you're looking for. It also allows you to open multiple tabs to view multiple PDFs at once. This feature enhances your reading experience and speed by allowing you to access multiple documents simultaneously. The second feature is PDF editing. This software allows you to edit the text in your PDFs, adding and removing content as desired. You can also control the properties of the text such as font style and color to make your documents look professional and polished. It also offers the ability to add or remove images from your PDFs and also perform multiple edits on them, such as cropping, extracting, replacing, and deleting. Make your documents more visually appealing and professional with its image editing capabilities. UPDF also makes form filling a quick and easy task by highlighting all form fields and making them editable, similar to word processing software. With this feature, you can easily type in your information without having to use a pen or pencil. Not just this, but you can also insert the links to a web page or connect pages within a PDF and add watermarks on the PDF easily. The third feature is rather an interesting one. UPDF comes with a built-in AI-powered OCR converter that can accurately transform your scanned PDFs into a searchable or editable file. It offers accurate results with the support of 38 languages. You can then easily convert your PDFs into editable Word and other popular Office formats like Excel and PowerPoint. This means you can edit your documents in their native applications, making it easier to make changes and updates. You can also convert PDFs to image files. Moving ahead, the fourth feature is the capability to organize PDFs the way you want it. Whether you want to quickly add, delete, rotate, replace, and extract PDF pages, or rearrange or reorder PDF pages, you can do it without breaking a sweat. The fifth feature is that UPDF offers added security for your PDF documents by including the option to add an open password. This password serves as a restriction and prevents unauthorized access, ensuring that only authorized individuals are able to open and view the document. The next feature comes in really handy when you need to share PDFs. You can use this software to reduce the file size of your PDF without losing quality. This makes it easy to share. The last feature is annotations. Annotating PDFs is super easy with UPDF's convenient PDF markup tools. Just imagine being able to add highlights, comments, and other annotations to your documents without any hassle. Plus, you can also share your documents with others and review them together. You can also add stamps, stickers, shapes, and signatures to the document. Once done, you also get the ability to share your PDF via a link for coherent collaboration. Another good thing about UPDF is that it is a cross-platform software and supports Windows, Mac, iOS, and Android operating systems. You can use UPDF on a wide range of devices, making it a versatile and convenient option for editing PDFs. Its user-friendly interface makes it easy for anyone to use, and its compatibility with different devices and operating systems means you can use it wherever you are. So if you're looking for a reliable PDF editor, give it a try. It's the perfect solution for both personal and business use. That is it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, and we hope you found it informative and helpful. I'll see you next time.